Hello. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Alayna AI to create slides for your classes. So have Google Slides open and open extensions, add-ons, and get add-ons, and then look for Alayna AI for Google Slides. This is the one that you're going to want to install. Before you do anything in Alayna AI, it's going to ask you to just create your account. So in order to be able to create slides, fill out this information and then click Submit. So when using this tool, I typically want to create standards aligned content. So in this case, I'm using the Georgia standards for physics, and I want to create some slides on the Newton's laws of motion, specifically with forces. And so I'm going to click and copy the standard, and then I'm going to go over here to the Alayna AI extension and create new presentation. So here it's going to prompt me for my topic, which is Newton's second law of motion. And I am going to ask it to create slides. And I guess I'll do maybe 10 slides. This is typically going to be for grade 11 in Georgia. And I'm going to go ahead and ask it to create the presentation. From here, I can select a theme. Maybe I'll select this one. This process takes a minute, but you would not believe how much time this can save you overall by just setting up and creating your initial set of slides. They may not be exactly perfect, but you don't have to copy and paste images. You don't have to write out your own text. You can just get started from something that's 90% of the way correct. Okay, I just finished reviewing these slides. I reviewed them for correctness and whether or not they were missing any important information. I did not find any errors in the content, but I did want to replace an image here. And so I want to try out using the Alayna AI editor, which is here again under extensions, but instead of clicking create, you can click edit. And I want to see what it's like to use the tool to replace an image. So I'm just going to click here on Find Better Images and Newton's third law. Okay, so let me look through what it was able to find. There's another rocket one, which I don't want to use because there's a rocket already here. See what might be relevant. There's another gun one. These are all pretty common. This is a good one. I want to use this one. Let's see what it's like to insert an image here. This time I got an error. Okay, so in this case, I've got a little elephant pulling on a guy, and there's a force meter here, and it says 500 newtons. I'll take it. And I'll go ahead and edit this text to describe what's going on in this picture as well. So I went ahead and added that description, and I'm done with my slides. That is just absolutely incredible. As a veteran educator of science and engineering of over 13 years, I still spend a significant amount of time outside of school generating things like slides, tasks, and rubrics. And with this tool, Alayna AI, I was able to generate something in minutes that would have normally taken me a couple of hours to create. That's going to give me time to do more of the things that I want to be doing, and I hope and think that it would do the same for you. Alayna AI's slides generator plan for unlimited slide creation is $9.99 a month. When I originally heard about this tool, I was told that it was free, and so unfortunately you can only create 5 sets of slides or make 5 edits to slides with a free trial version, if you will, before you have to start paying for this at $9.99 a month. But truly, if you can make 1 set of slides or 5 set of slides per month, it definitely pays for itself in your time. As I continue to explore more tools that will save time, I'd love to hear what tools you're using and what you're benefiting from. Can you please write a comment below and I will explore that tool and I'll share my thoughts on it as well.